is it just me? Or is it winter? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. My hair's a mess today, and I'm okay with that because I'm cold. I'm pretty sure my hair's cold too. So this is normal. We're just gonna go with this. Today we're gonna be opening up a box I wasn't expecting so dirty and soon. It is my Ipsy Boxy. Damn it, I did this last month too. This is my Boxycharm by Ipsy. That's it. I want to say glam box so bad. My Ipsy glam box. Can I do that? Is that a thing? Can we make it a thing? Ipsy, can you make it a thing? So this is my, let's use two hands. And let my hair just come back here. Poor thing, look how frizzy it is. Oh, it's okay. She's just doing her thing, living her best life. I'm just here to support her. So this is my Boxycharm Dusty Box. It's big and it's light. First of all, I just want to let you know, Ipsy Boxycharm Ipsy. Here she is. Comes once a month. Absolutely love her. Probably one of, not the, but one of the longest subscription boxes I've had. If you're interested, I'll leave some more information down in the comments below. I also have a playlist, so you can go check that out. Also, while I'm opening this box with my Cloud knife, let me know if anybody else got the same things as me. I know you get like your little power picks, but I'm like, does everybody get those? Or is it just like, all right, this group gets these, this group gets these, this group gets these, like, you know, whatever, how they did in elementary school. If your last name starts with whatever, you're over here. If it's over, you know, something like that. And then we get to pick out of like a sea of items. Just wondering. But anyway, here she is, my Boxycharm by Ipsy for January 2024. It's 2024. Except for the first 2 days of 2024, I wrote January 2023 on everything. So all of that is stuck at the beginning of 2023, but right now this is January 2024. Hi, hello, how you doing? Let's open this. Let's see what I got. And we got some paper. I want to believe so bad this actually does something like for helping with transit, but I don't know. Doesn't seem like it. And here's my box. Everything in here, or not, that's fine too. And it looks like I got a tiny little, I mean the back will show you too, like a little paper, newspaper kind of thing of it. Of my January 2024 Boxycharm. The theme for this month is Glow Your Soul, which I love. Thank you. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Oh, I plan on it. Oh, Mega Drop Shop is open right now too. I don't know if that's on the back. Does it say? No. But let's go through this real quick and we'll jump to the back. So let me open it. These are your power picks. I'm pretty sure I got this one and I don't know what else. But these are your save the dates to build your box and your add-ons, 2-1 to 2-3. I do that immediately. I don't know if you saw my last video where I was like deathly sick when the whole choice time came around and I did not choose. So I got what I got, and I couldn't really throw a fit. That's how that works. Oh, cool. The Ipsy Insiders Clean Beauty Picks. What is that? Oh, like stuff that's out, stuff that's in. Okay. All right. So, thanks to new drops every Monday, the weekly sales on Thursdays in Ipsy Shop. Okay. I don't know what that means. Anyway. Okay, so and I kind of figured this and I was like, there's no way, because I'm like, come on, it's Gwen Stefani, there's no way like Ipsy got Gwen Stefani, because I really enjoy Gwen Stefani and like my boyfriend's so obsessed with her. Like if I could be Gwen Stefani, he would just be over the moon. Ridiculous. But I was like, oh, who is this for the new icon box? And it's Gwen Stefani. It's Gwen they revealed it on Instagram. It's Gwen Stefani. But that's so cool. I'm like, now do I get the icon box? Because I haven't done it since they switched over from like just Boxycharm to Boxycharm by Ipsy. What have you? What do they call it? No, just icon box. So I'm like, I don't know. Because then I don't get, I think this box. Because I get the Boxycharm and I get my glam bag. So I don't want to go without either. I'd rather just pay extra and get the icon box, you know? No? That's fine. Anyway, so you got Build Your Box, Power Picks, Epic Deals, personalized products, just some dates to keep in mind. And that's it. That's all that's in here. Cool. So I failed to open my app before this whole started again. Let me pull up my app and we'll go over the products in my box. I got it. Okay. I got my app pulled up. Finally. That's okay. That's just me. That's just who I am as a person. Anywho, the first item, yes, it's from Ren Clean Skincare. It's the Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. 54, let me open my box here because yeah, she closed and I put her down. $54 doll hairs. What is with everybody like, I know it's like supposed to be good for you in most circumstances, but for me, a lot of these vitamin C creams don't mesh well with my skin. Like, is it just me? I'm over everything being vitamin C. I am. Like, someone pump me up, get me back into it. No, it's supposed to illuminate and hydrate. Yes. Maybe it's just because, like, I was doing the whole tretinoin thing and then using vitamin C, and I had such bad reaction because I didn't realize everything had vitamin C in it. Here she is. Very cute. I thought things that had vitamin C in it were supposed to be, like, dark packaging, but maybe not. Okay. It's just a vitamin C gel cream. That's it. Can I use it? How do I use it? Plump skin. To help tone and texture. Use AM and PM massage into a freshly cleansed face and neck until absorbed. So, I don't know if it's like a lotion. I have questions. Because I have like a 37-step skincare routine. If you haven't seen that video, it's also up. I think it's under like my skin playlist. Creepy, but it's there. Skincare. But like, when do I use this? Questions. Anyway, how much were you? $54. $54. The next item, which I'm like not thrilled with, I gotta go in and check my like Ipsy preferences. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Because I'm getting so many mascaras and I cannot go through. I have a drawer in my little like baby filing thing of like miniatures. Just mascaras. There's no room for eyeliners anymore or brow products. It's all mascaras now. It's ridiculous. But this is from RODIAL. RODIAL? How would you pronounce that? I want to say RODIAL. RODIAL. There's so many ways you can pronounce things. It's ridiculous. But here it is. I'm going to pronounce this RODIAL. It's the Mascara XXL in black. $32 doll hairs full size. These two items were my Power Picks picked for me. It's got Volume Extreme in the shade Black Velvet. Oh, that sounds beautiful. Don't do that. I have a whole lineup before you, but Black Velvet sounds beautiful. Oh my gosh. Have you guys tried this? Is it worth it? I have the Kylie mascara I want to try, and then right after that I have a KVD mascara I want to try because yeah, I picked them up from Ulta when they were on sale. No, they're not in this little, what do you call it, cubby drawer because I want to try them now. Anyway, $32 doll hairs, full size. Well, that's full size. Except for that one item that wasn't full size that one time. What the French toast. Anywho, this next item, it's a little odd that I picked these, but it kind of makes sense because I'm like, okay, new year, fresh start. let me clean all my brushes. So I've taken like all my dirty brushes, set them in my bathroom, and have yet to clean them. They're just sitting there to be cleaned. And I'm not using them. I have clean ones I'm using, but I'm like, I don't have as many. So I feel like my thought process was, let me buy more so I have less to wash or more to use. I don't know. But this is from Game Beauty. This is the Eyes on Me for Essential Eyeshadow Brush set. 4 essential Eyes on Me. 4, like the number 4. So there's 4 essential eyeshadow brushes, which make a set. I confused myself there. Probably confused you too, but I confused myself more. This is $25. So let's see. It goes from this one. This is the detail brush. This is the smudge brush. This is the applicating brush. And this is the blending brush. Or in my case, this is the apply blend smudge brush. And these are just extras. Anywho, $25. I've not tried this brand before, but they look nice. I love how on the little handles it has a little dip. I try to hold my fingers, or just the one, fingers back from the brush as far as possible when applying eyeshadow. So I'm not going so hard, but sometimes you just can't help it. Sometimes you gotta go hard. $25. All right, this next item, I'm not sure why I picked this. I mean, it's $86. Let me just show you real quick before I try and look back and see what my choices were to understand my choice. This is from Act and Acre. It's cold pressed stem cell scalp serum. $86. That's a lot. Swiss apple stem cell bond, bamboo and pea sprout blend. I'm gonna look back at my screenshots to see why I picked this. How long ago did I pick? I have questions for myself mainly. There it is. Okay. Oh, okay. So the options. Oh man. All right. So this category looks like it was not the best. So I chose what I felt I would use, I guess. So one of them is like a brow doodle, like a brow pomade. Brow silk is what it's called. Another one is like a lotion. Another one is a roller ball, which is not a full size. It's not. The next one is a caviar eyeshadow stick. And the last one is like a retinol whatnot. So I went with this. Okay, that kind of makes sense. I'm a little confused as to how it's so expensive. What is it? $86? Yeah, I'm gonna hold my phone. I'm gonna open this. I love how like there's this little lip right here for me to open this with ease. I'm sure my tweezers miss me, but I feel fancy right now. This is cute. I love the frosted glass. Huh. Okay. Very nice. $86. And then the last, so this last item is $20. It's the Context Skin Dual Lip Pencil in Locked In and Forever Free. So one color on each side. And why does it need to come in this packaging? Just a little curious. Also, was this like selection for these products, was it bad? Oh. So in this category, I could either get a brow gel in clear, so another brow gel, a setting spray, which I have like 1,000, a primer, a contour stick, or a cream highlight. So let's pick the lip pencil. I don't know what's up with this pink bubble wrap. It's cute though, don't get me wrong. I will be keeping this. But what's up with, like, it's a pencil. A dual lip pencil that I want to see so I could look at it. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Is it twist? I love that sound. Is this twist upable? No. Are you just glued together? Because it has like little lines right here where it has contacts, like the brand, and then on this side it says Locked In, which is this shade, and then Forever Free, which is that shade. But I'm like, I guess that's where they glued it together. Made in China. Cool. Very nice. That's handy because I'm running out of room in my bag for items because, oh, I shouldn't put that out. I should put it back in the box where it goes until I decide if I'm going to use it now or put it in a lineup to be used. Some art, trying to use products. And then, oh, that's it. 5 items. Ooh, all done with my Ipsy Glam bag for January 2024. Just to recap, I got this little guy, vitamin C. I got this mascara. I got these brushes. Oh dear. There's no way this is all going back nice and neat. I got my stem cell scalp serum. We're just going to call it scalp serum. Scalp serum. Sounds weird to me, but I'm going to just try and we're going to push through scalp serum. And I got my dual-ended lip pencil. Not a bad box. Not a bad start to 2024. I will be going in and checking my preferences. Just wondering, you know, just because like when I look in here and I see what other people could or might have gotten, like these Anastasia products, I would have rather have had those or the whole little glow recipe niacinamide doodle whatnot, or this Ofra palette. First of all, I freaking love Ofra. Love them. Oh my god, their highlight, perfect. It is exact for me. But that's fine. That's neither here nor there. Nothing can be changed about it. We're not lifting that up. That's dangerous. Everything's done. That's my whole box for January 2024. Leave your comments down below if you guys got the same things as me or picked the same items as me, I should say. And that's all I got right now. I'm gonna go because, as I told you, it's winter. I'm chilly. I'm gonna go crawl under a blanket somewhere, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!